Are you tired of constant hair fall, thinning, or dull, lifeless strands? You've probably tried expensive shampoos, conditioners, and salon treatments that only give temporary results. But did you know that one of the most powerful natural remedies for hair growth and scalp health is sitting right in your kitchen? Yes, I'm talking about onions. Before you click away, hear me out. For centuries, onions have been one of the most powerful natural remedies for hair growth and hair care. Our grandmothers and elders always reminded us, if your hair is falling, don't panic. Just apply onion water to your scalp. Today, modern science confirms what tradition has always known. So in this video, I'll break down the science behind onions for hair growth, step-by-step methods to prepare onion juice and onion oil, a powerful hair mask recipe with coffee, honey, and nutmeg checkmark, shampoo and scalp care tips that make remedies more effective, checkmark, and lifestyle changes that turn good results into amazing results. Stay tuned till the end, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with friends who need natural hair care solutions. Section 1. The science of onions for hair. Onions are not just for flavor and food. They are loaded with compounds that directly benefit your scalp and hair follicles. The two most powerful are sulfur, a natural antibacterial that keeps the scalp clean. More importantly, sulfur stimulates blood circulation. When your scalp gets better blood flow, your follicles receive more oxygen and nutrients. This not only stops hair fall, but also triggers new hair growth. That's why onion juice is called a natural hair growth booster. Quercetin, a strong antioxidant. It works with vitamin C to fight free radicals, harmful molecules that attack your hair cells, making them weak, dry, and brittle. By neutralizing these radicals, onions protect your scalp from long-term damage. But that's not all. Onions also contain vitamin B6, flavonoids, and other nutrients that reduce hair fall, thicken weak strands, strengthen roots, add shine, protect from pollution and UV damage, improve natural hair color. Whether your hair is light, dark, or dyed, onions help bring back shine and depth. Truly, it's a complete natural package for anyone struggling with weak or falling hair. Section 2. How to use onions. 1. Onion juice preparation. Take 2 to 3 medium onions, peel, wash, and chop them. Grind them into a paste and strain through a muslin cloth. Apply the pure juice directly to your scalp by sectioning your hair. Massage gently with your fingertips. Leave for 30 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. With regular use, onion juice reduces shedding, strengthens roots, and encourages new baby hair growth in thin or bald areas. 2. Onion oil preparation. If you prefer something that can be stored and reused, onion oil is perfect. Chop 2 medium onions. Heat 1 cup of coconut oil in a pan and add the chopped onions. Cook on low flame until golden brown. This is when the nutrients infuse into the oil. Let it cool, strain, and store in a clean bottle. Use it just like regular hair oil. It nourishes the scalp deeply, strengthens follicles, and gives long-lasting results without the need to prepare fresh juice every time. Section 3. The coffee, honey, and nutmeg hair mask. Now, if you really want to boost the results, combine onion remedies with this amazing mask. Here's the recipe. 1 cup brewed coffee, stimulates scalp circulation, ½ cup honey, deeply hydrates ½ teaspoon nutmeg powder, strengthens strands, fresh aloe vera gel, plus a few drops of lavender or rose oil, soothe the scalp and improve fragrance. Mix everything into a smooth blend. Apply section by section, massage gently, and leave it for 30 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. This mask is rich in protein, antioxidants, and moisturizers. It strengthens, hydrates, and leaves your hair soft, shiny, and full of life. Section 4. Shampoo and scalp. Care tips. Many people in the USA damage their hair without realizing it by choosing the wrong shampoo. Avoid shampoos with sulfates and parabens. They foam a lot but strip your scalp's natural oils. Choose shampoos with natural extracts like rosemary, lavender, or aloe. Always dilute shampoo with water before applying to your scalp. It reduces dryness and irritation. And don't forget scalp massage. Bend your head downwards, massage in circular motions with your fingertips, and gently twist small sections of hair. This boosts circulation and makes any remedy you use twice as effective. Section 5. Inner Health Matters. External remedies alone won't give magical results unless you take care of your body from the inside. Drink clean, fresh water daily. Avoid salty or contaminated water. It weakens hair over time. Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and omega-3s. When your body is nourished, your hair will naturally respond better to treatments. So let's recap. Onions are not just kitchen ingredients. They are nature's most powerful remedy for hair growth. With onion juice, onion oil, the coffee honey nutmeg mask, scalp massage, healthy shampoo choices, and good nutrition, you can stop hair fall, strengthen weak strands, and bring back shine. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more natural remedies. Like this video to support the content. Share it with friends and family who are struggling with hair fall. Remember, beautiful, strong hair doesn't come from expensive salons. It comes from consistent natural care. Try onion juice today and let your hair thank you tomorrow.